Here we are at
Look at me.
DJ's Trains. We're going to do a little video of his layout here in Jeanette, Pennsylvania, and he's going to tell you about it, walk you through his whole layout. So say hello to DJ.
Hey, I wore cologne just for this video too, so I hope you like that.
All right. And I'll put a link to his YouTube channel there, and he's got a Twitter. And what else you got?
Facebook and Instagram, which I still don't know how to use that.
All that stuff. Yeah, I got Instagram too, and I don't know how to use
Right.
it. But anyway, I'll put the links down there so you can see him. He's got a lot of good information. I learned a lot from him.
Yes.
I think we learned a lot from each other.
This is one cool guy. I'm telling you. Subscribe, stay subscribed, and check out all the videos. Take the day off. Just go start watching videos.
Yeah,
Just
watch his videos
binge
too.
Binge watch. That's better than Netflix. All right.
All right, thank you. If you watched any of my videos, you might have seen this up on the wall. Right now, it's on the floor. And who has one like it?
Me.
DJ,
And
he's playing with Sadie right now.
Stealing your puppy. Come on, dog's not to get his face. Come on, I have treats.